بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum, boys and girls, and welcome to Let's Read with Eliza. Hope you're having a fabulous day and enjoying the books on the channel, and I'd be really grateful if you can like and subscribe to it and share it with your friends and family. What are we reading today? Today, we are reading Make a Splash. Now, this book has been written by Afreen Hoque and Naureen Hoque, and it has been illustrated by QBN Studios. Shall we start? Say with me. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Make a splash. Ali, tomorrow will be your first day of school, inshallah. Are you excited? Ali's mum asks. Ali is quiet. I know it will be difficult for us to be apart. We have been blessed by Allah to have spent so much time together. But now that you are a big boy, it is time to go to school. Ali remains silent. School is a wonderful place. You will learn so many different things. Inshallah, you will make lots of friends, go on adventures, and have fun. Finally, Ali nervously says, But, Mama, I'm scared. Oh, Ali, it's okay to be scared. Remember, whenever you are afraid, you can always ask Allah for help. He can give you the courage and strength to overcome your fears. If you remember Him through salah and good deeds, He will hear you. Allah, remember those who remember Him. That night, Ali feels nervous. I am scared to go to school tomorrow, he thinks to himself. What if nobody likes me? I will be all alone and without my mum. Ali then remembers his mum's words and asks Allah, please help me be brave. Please help me make new friends and be happy at my new school. The next day, Ali's mum takes him to school. Inshallah, you will have a great first day. And don't forget to have fun. Ali quietly gives his mum a kiss and takes a deep breath. With a Bismillah, Ali steps into his new class. Ali sees so many new faces in a new place. His heart begins to pound and his palms become sweaty. Please help me, Allah, Ali thinks to himself. Without noticing, Ali bumps into a tub of paint. It spills all over and onto one of his classmates. Tears begin to run down his face. Oh no! Why did this happen? I prayed so much to Allah for help, but He didn't hear me. Now no one will be my friend, Ali thinks to himself. The boy comes over to Ali. Wow, you sure know how to make a splash. I love this cool new design on my shirt. Wanna be friends? All the children rush over to Ali. We love what you did. Can you splash our shirts too? Ali realizes that Allah had indeed heard his prayer. While Ali didn't know it, Allah had His own plan. That splash of paint seemed like a big mistake to Ali, but it was what actually helped him make so many new friends. Ali goes on to have a great first day, meeting new teachers and classmates and learning more than he could ever imagined. That night, Ali thinks about all the great things that happened to him. Alhamdulillah, thank you Allah for planning such an awesome day for me. Subhanallah, what a great story. And Ali, through his prayer, managed to have a great first day at school. He thought he had made a mistake, and that mistake led to a wonderful day. Do you remember your first day at school, boys and girls? How was it? Were you happy? Were you excited? Were you a little bit nervous? How did it go? Maybe you've got some younger brothers and sisters or cousins or friends who are going into school soon. Maybe you can help them with their fears as well. What do you think? Oh, look, there is another page at the end of the book, which shows us some daily remembrances that we can recite when thinking about Allah, His messengers, His teachings, and His love in our daily lives. Let's pick a few. Let's go with the first one. La ilaha illallah. The only God is Allah. For example, as Ali thinks about the oneness of Allah, he recites La ilaha illallah. There is another one that we all say when we start a new story. Bismillah. In the name of Allah. To begin something. For example, Ali wakes up and says, Bismillah, I'm ready to start my day. And there are so many more phrases there and so many more ways to remember Allah in our daily lives. What remembrance, what dhikr, do you recite each day, boys and girls? Maybe you can discuss it with your grown-up and share it with me by emailing me at letsreadwitheliza@gmail.com. I look forward to hearing from you, boys and girls, and I'll see you next time. Assalamu alaikum.